Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sneha, and today I'm going to share a kind of short video regarding a shade which is very similar to my existing shades. So it's kind of finding similar or alike shades, not dupe. These are not exact dupes to each other, but they have a kind of similar color story or the undertone kind of like this. So first of all, we will start with the shade called Focus Red Boots 101. This is the Lakme Absolute Melt Matte Mini. So এই যে শেডটা যেটা আমি কথা বলছি, sorry if I said something in Bengali because kind of so I just spoke something in Bengali. Actually, it's a habit, so I'm so sorry. Anyway, so this is the shade I was talking about, and this is kind of a very warm red shade, not a very deep kind of a shade, very light. So it's a really pretty shade. To be honest, it's not my kind of a shade. Like on me, NC40 to NC42, I prefer more of a bright pink based or cool tone red shades. I don't enjoy such type of colors, but it's a really good shade. Who does not love to wear like on the face bright bold red shade? So this is a really good color. So let me give you the like exact swatch of this. So this is the shade I am talking about on me, NC40 to NC42. So right now I am NC40, you can say, and so this is the shade appears onto me. So I have compared with like my high end to affordable shades ranges. So first of all, I have compared with it with the this one, this particular shade. So this is the shade called American Doll from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let me see the shade. Yeah, so this is the shade I'm talking about. It's a really warm kind of more of brownie, not exact brownie, but a bit of warm hinted red shade. So this is the shade comparison with Red Boots and American Doll. So Red Boots, as you can see, it's a bit of lighter tone than the ABH one. The Lakme one is bit lighter than the ABH one. So it is very similar to each other. Both have that warm reddish kind of aspect, but the American Doll is a bit more deeper and richer than the shade Red Birds from Lakme. So let's talk about this one. So this is the shade called Too Faced Cinnamon Bear. So Too Faced Cinnamon Bear is actually a limited edition liquid lipstick. Let me show you. So this is the packaging of the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, one of the favorite liquid lipstick I have tried. This is the first liquid lipstick I have tried from Too Faced, and I've fallen in love with the formula and the durability, the longevity on my lips, and the comfort factor as well. So if I have to choose or dupe the comfort factor, I can say it's very similar to each other. The Lakme and the Red Boots. The Lakme and the Red Boots have a very similar. Not the consistency is not same. It's very thick and it's more of a lightweight. This one is much more thin consistency than the Too Faced. So, but the comfort factor is very alike, and I really like this one as well. This is the first ever I have tried from the Melted Matte range. So I really like the texture, the comfort factor of the liquid lipstick. And as you can see, the Cinnamon Bear is more of a brownie, more warm. As you can see, you can say it's have kind of that warmth, the caramelly, the cinnamony color effect. Yeah, so justified with the color. So anyway, so Red Boots obviously tone lighter, of course, because of the texture as well as the consistency. They are both different. In AVH as well, they are both different. But to be honest, the colors are pretty dang similar to each other. Like if I have to compare this, like 85% similar. So yeah, so this is the Too Faced Cinnamon Bear, and compared with Lakme Redwoods. Then we will go into a very similar, not similar, sorry, affordable range. So this one is the Sugar Nothing Else Matter lipstick. I love the bullet. I love the lipstick formula. Mane, this is so soft. This is so soft. So this is in the shade called 02 Red Rush. So 02 Red Rush is bit more peachy and much more lighter compared to the Lakme Redwoods, but the formula is so good and it's so lightweight, it's so comfortable. I just love the formula. I wish it had a blue kind of blue based pinky based red shade. I wish it had, but anyway, I really like both the formulas. But as you can see, Sugar one is bit more peachy and lighter than the Redwoods Lakme. So here we will compare another shade. So this is the shade called Lakme, from Lakme only. So this is, I think, Lakme's 9 to 5 mousse matte or something like that. So this is the weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color. So this is the shade Plum Feather, and this is the kind of shade that I compared. Plum Feather is bit more plummy or a bit coolness it have, and Redwoods obviously looks a bit warmer compared to it. The formula is significantly different. It's for the matte mousse, obviously it has a moussey, airy, whipped like texture. Redwoods Lakme melted matte have a very thin consistency. So obviously the colors are different, but they have a similar kind of a the color story is kind of similar, but the undertone is bit different on me, of course, on me. And this is the shade called Catherine from ABH, a very remarkable and well known color. Everybody loves AVH Catherine. So I have compared AVH Catherine with Redwoods. As you can see, uh, if I compare with AVH Catherine with the Lakme 9 to 5 Plum Feather, so they look quite similar. I can say that Catherine and Plum Feather are kind of alike. So of course Catherine is much more deeper, cooler, different texture, different consistency than the Lakme Matte Melt Redwood. So as you can see, these are all the shades swatched to each other. So I will swatch them in under sunlight as well, under natural light. So just hang on a moment, okay? So I came under a natural light, like under sunlight. So now you can see the swatches up close. So up from the first, we will start BH American Doll, then Lakme Redwoods, again Too Faced Cinnamon Bear with Lakme Redwoods, then Sugar 02 from Nothing Else Matter. I don't remember the shade. I think something Red Rush. Yeah, Red Rush compared with Lakme Redwoods. Then Plum Feather, Lakme 9 to 5 Plum Feather, a cheek and lip tint. Plum Feather with Redwoods, as well as the last one, ABH Catherine, very famous Catherine with the shade Redwoods. So yeah, these are the swatches under natural light. Yes, please ignore the bike and the greenery. But anyway, as you can see, it's a very good shade. If I wanted to say, it's a very, so these are very alike, not exact dupe. Of course, I will not say these are exact dupes, but I found that the Lakme Redwoods is very similar to some of my already existing shades. And yeah, to be honest, I'm not that happy about that, but yeah, let's see. So I thought it will be a kind of coral pinky red shade, but to be honest, how many times I have said to be honest, huh? So yeah, let it be. So this is kind of coral red shade, not, it does not have any hint of pink in it. So I am more of a pinky person. Like, yeah, I anything pink or pink related, I am good to it. So yeah, apart from nail polish, I love to adventure on that. So anyway, so these are again the lipsticks that I have. Lakme Melt Matte, Lakme Matte Melt Mini shade in the red boards. And this is the 101, I guess, 101 red boards. This is the Lakme Absolute weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color in the shade Plum Feather. This is Sugar Nothing. I think it's Nothing Else Matter. Yeah, Nothing Else Matter. Long wear lipstick in the shade 02 Red Rush. This is ABH Catherine, very famous. Hope you can see the shade name. Let it be, yeah, Catherine. And this is Cinnamon Bear from Too Faced. They have recently launched a full size of this, so not in India though, but if they launch it in India, that would be yay. And this is the American Doll from ABH. So these are all the shades that I have mentioned. These are all the swatches. So yeah, hope it helps to you.